Hey guys, I heard the coolest idea. It's kind of funny, but I had to share it. I was talking to somebody on here on YouTube, and I told them I'm going to steal your idea, or at least I think I told them. And if I didn't, here I am. I'm stealing your idea just to share it with everyone. But I thought it was the coolest, most creative idea, and it's so simple, but I just thought it was interesting. So, real quick, if you have a part of your house, so let's say you have a heating and air system, and it supplies 5 rooms, but 1 or 2 of those rooms are always hotter or cooler than the rest, and it drives you nuts, and you're going from one to the other and things like that. I've done other videos where we've talked about zoning, and we've talked about duct work and sizing it correctly and all that fun stuff. But this person was telling me what they do, and I just thought it was so clever. Just to back up a little bit, we've all heard of Wi-Fi thermostats. So you can have a Wi-Fi thermostat installed where your current thermostat is, and you can control it with a smartphone, whether you are in the same room as the thermostat or not. You could be in another part of the house. You can actually be in another part of the world and control that thermostat. But the difference is that thermostat will always be in that same location, right? So you can still control it from anywhere in the world, but that thermostat stays right there wherever it is currently installed. And so I did a video recently where I was talking about relocating a thermostat. So if it's currently on this wall and you want to put it on this wall, rerunning the wiring and all that stuff. But if you just physically can't get it there, then you can install a wireless thermostat over there where you just put batteries in it, and then you install a module at the indoor unit, and they can talk to one another. You control it. Well, anyway, this person I was talking to, I just thought it was so funny but clever, is they did that. So they installed a wireless thermostat, but then they pulled it off the wall, and no matter where they are in the house, they can carry it from one room to the other, and whatever room they're in, that system is going to heat and cool to whatever that thermostat is set at. So you might be in the living room with your wireless thermostat, and you set it on the table or whatever it is you do with it, and it will control the heating and air system from there. But then you can pick it up and go to the bedroom that night, and it'll control the heating and air system from there. I just thought that was such an interesting and simple idea, but I just never heard of that before. I thought it was crazy. So I thought I would share that with you. If you've got one of those houses, you want maximum comfort, you can pick up that wireless thermostat, take it whatever room you're spending the most time in, and that room could change. You just pick it up and go again, and you're still controlling that system wherever you're located. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.